Around the world, the close bond between animals and people provides a vital link between ourselves and the natural world. Animals work a special kind of magic on us. So much so that they are used in therapy. Dogs are man's best friend. In fact, all pets are man's best friend because they are a natural prescription for health. Our fingertips are incredibly sensitive. So simply stroking a pet has a direct physical effect on our bodies. And this means their risk of heart attack and stroke is reduced. Today, hospitals across the world are using all sorts of animals as a form of natural therapy. Animal contact lifts the children's spirits and helps them to recover more quickly.
Choose where you're going to throw it, which way?
Patients with limited mobility are motivated to exercise, speeding their road back to recovery. Researchers have found that young patients who have contact with animals actually feel less pain. Pets at home and in hospitals are a wonderful passive way to improve our well-being, but sometimes animal therapy is a far more active affair. Riding is great exercise. 10 minutes on a horse requires 1,000 different muscle movements. The motion of the horse encourages muscles to relax and is good for balance and coordination. For people who can't walk, being on a horse helps the pelvis to move in a similar way to walking. Riding can produce dramatic results. After riding, some people have even walked and talked for the first time. Riding is fairly adventurous, but for the ultimate in animal therapy, you have to be prepared to get wet. In the open ocean, and at a special center in Florida, children and adults can swim with dolphins. The sense of well-being we experience after a close encounter like this may be partly due to the dolphin's sonar system. The sonar waves penetrate our bodies, stimulating changes in our brain activity and body chemistry. Some doctors believe that dolphins help children with neurological and movement disorders. Children with learning difficulties have shown dramatic improvement after swimming with dolphins. For a long, healthy and happy life, it seems we can all benefit from a little animal therapy.